we have a 2017 Jeep Renegade, 22,000 miles, clean auto check, comes with balance of factory warranty. Give you a look. First thing you notice, these things do have the classic Jeep styling with up and down vent grills and the big round headlights. Got the tow hooks on the front and your signals and your fog lights kind of stacked there. That's have a nice mean little racing stripe right down the middle of the hood. As for tires and wheels, we have a 17-inch blacked out wheel with chrome trim. Got Falcon tires on there that are half tread or a little better. And you will see the badging, trail rated Renegade. There's integrated signals in your mirrors. Has the roof rack. Interior is nice and clean. It is black on black, and you can see it does have the red trim, which kind of accents the outside color around your vents, around your speakers. Also has a brushed aluminum around the door handles. Back seats. There's a bench seat on the back, as you can see. You have a power source on the back of your console where you can plug in your devices. Also have the rubber mats on the floors, which is pretty nice, saves your carpet. And these seats fold down flat too also. The front seat's kind of not up far enough, but they do fold flat in case you need more cargo space in the back. Rear rubber is just about the same as the front, around half tread. When you're around the back, you'll see the badging, of course, Jeep 4x4 Trailhawk. And you have another tow hook on the back. And rear wiper, rear defrost. And you see the backup cam, which is right there. Inside, you have the top piece of carpet pulled out here to show you. You have your spare tire, and all your jack and all your tools and everything are over in that canvas bag there. In case you would have a flat along the road somewhere or something, you have everything in there you need to fix you up. And of course your emblem for your Sirius radio does have that. And neat little tail lights. They have the X'd out tail lights. And rubber pretty much the same the whole way around. Got about half tread. Look at the interior. See your power locks, windows, and mirrors are all right on your driver's door. And we'll hop inside. You will notice current mileage, 22,038. And your steering wheel. On the left side, you'll have your settings for your Bluetooth, your telephone, all your display screens for your dash. On the right side, you have your cruise control. And on the little tripods that stick out, of course, you have your headlights and signals on the left. Windshield wipers on the right. And your audio screen. You can sync your devices right into there, your phone, your iPod, whatever you have. And your heating and air conditioning settings. And of course your two-wheel four-wheel drive lock. And whatever you're driving in, you can set it for snow, mud, sand, rocks, whatever conditions you're driving in. Here you have your 12-volt power source. You have your USB port and auxiliary plug. You have your automatic gear shift selector with the leather boot with the red stitching. Electronic emergency brake. You have your traction control there also. A couple nice deep cup holders. And you have your armrest, some storage, another USB port tucked away in there. All in all, it's a pretty nice Jeep. It's nice and clean inside here, as you can see. Show you the seats are embroidered also with the Trailhawk branding. There's no pet smoke odor, nothing in here at all, no rips or tears. Nice clean interior. We'll go ahead and start the engine up and I'll give you a look under the hood. You will see for engine, you have the 2.4 liter multi-air engine. Pretty good little motor. Makes these things pretty efficient on fuel. Gets them up and down the mountain pretty good. You will see it is also nice and clean underneath the hood there. All in all, it's pretty clean inside and out. Last thing we are going to do on this video is I'm going to walk you around one more time and we're going to pinpoint any blemishes that we can find on here. In case you want to come out and take a look. You'll know just about as much about it then as what we do. Try to be pretty much up front and show you these videos and let you know of any blemishes or anything. So if you're interested in coming out, we kind of have a little bit of a heads up before you even spend the time coming down. A couple of tiny stone chips across the front, which we have touched up. So they should not cause you any issues at all. And I do remember seeing there's some marks here on the plastic on the back door. Looks like something might have got up against there and shoved in on that plastic some and scuffed that a little bit. Other than those couple marks, that's about all I have to show you on this one actually. It's a pretty nice clean little Renegade. If you're interested in coming out and taking a look at that, maybe taking a test drive, happy to help you out. Our number here is 717-485-4224, or you can look us up on the web, www.thomasata.com. Thank you.